What can happen to your body if you stop eating carbs? Following a low-carb diet is a fast way to lose weight, and many celebrities use it to keep the pounds off. While it is true that eliminating carbs from your diet will help you burn fat, it also has a number of unpleasant side effects. Number 1. You may feel dizzy. Cutting carbs out altogether is a stress on the body. When you stop eating carbs, your body can't burn glucose for energy anymore, and this typically causes withdrawal-like symptoms, like nausea, headaches, and irritability. Number 2. It will be harder for you to stay active. When your body is adapting to a new diet consisting of very little carbs, it begins to burn fat for energy. Because fat is a slower source of fuel than glucose, it will be harder for you to get going during workouts and other activities. Number 3. It's not good for your heart. People who eat very little carbs are at greater risk for premature death from heart diseases, according to a study. Medical experts recommend avoiding low-carbohydrate diets, as healthy carbs fight inflammation and help us lower the risk of buildups in our blood vessels. Number 4. Your metabolism may slow down. When you suddenly cut out carbs, it can temporarily cause constipation. Carbs high in resistant starch, like oats, speed up your metabolism, helping you to lose weight faster. Number 5. You might experience muscle cramps. Many people who go on a carb-free diet may feel painful muscle contractions. A drastic reduction in carbs makes your body lose more electrolytes through urination. Because these minerals are essential for cell communication, it can result in muscle spasms. Number 6. Your breath may smell bad. Some people may notice a strange taste in their mouth and a change in breath within days of starting a carb-free diet. This happens because when your body can't get energy from carbohydrates, it begins to break down fat for fuel and converts fatty acids into natural chemicals called ketones. This may cause your breath to have a strong smell some people describe as being similar to nail polish remover.